Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase and install an eSIM for Belarus. This is very simply done using the eSIM.app platform. So what you can do right now is go ahead and open up the official description of this video down below and open up the first link you're going to see, which is going to take you to the page right here. So once you open up that link from the description, it's going to take you to the eSIM platform right here, and make sure to stay till the end of the video as we're also going to show you step by step how to install the eSIM. But here you can compare the unlimited plans with the fixed plans, and you're going to see that unlimited plans are usually the better offer, as for similar prices you're going to be getting unlimited data. So go into the checkout page and finish by choosing a payment method and making the purchase. So once you make the purchase successfully, you can go ahead and get started instantly. Again, we can follow the step by step right here. So if you're on iPhone, you're going to open up the application of eSIM and go into the eSIM page and click to install. So by clicking this install button, you can tap add cellular plan, which is going to enable you to follow the rest of the steps right here by turning on the eSIM plan and the primary plan. And on the finish page, you're going to turn on these two options right here. Make sure to turn on data roaming and to turn on this line option, as when they're active, your eSIM is going to be usable. You can also go ahead and install it using the QR code option. So you're going to have the settings right here. Clicking on cellular and clicking to add a cellular plan is going to go ahead and enable you to use the QR code option. And with the QR code option, you can scan the QR code from the eSIM application once you make the purchase. And on Android, it's going to be pretty similar. So you're going to open up the application, going to the help page and click eSIM installation. And once you do so, click the install button. Once you click the install button, follow the rest of the steps right here. And once you activate your eSIM using those two options by turning on data roaming, it's going to be usable. You can also install it using the QR code, just like on iPhone, by going to your device settings, clicking connections and the SIM card manager, clicking to add a mobile plan, and then using the QR code option scanner. And there you have it. That is how you can install it. So go into the description of this video right now, open up the first link and get started with the installation. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.